Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Are you a new visitor? Do consider subscribing for interesting and easy recipes. You just need rice to go with this red chickpea curry. There's no onion, ginger or garlic in the recipe, yet it's really flavorful. I'll show you how to make it. These are the ingredients required for the recipe. Cumin seeds, hing or Asafoetida, chopped green chilies, coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, Lal Chana or red chickpeas that have been soaked in a lot of water overnight and pressure cooked till they are done. Reserve the water in which the chickpeas were cooked. We'll use it in the gravy. Ghee for cooking. Gram flour or besan that has been dry roasted in a pan on very low heat. Amchur powder or dry mango powder. Coriander powder. Salt and some beaten curd or yogurt. Add in the salt, coriander powder and dry mango powder into the beaten yogurt and the besan or the gram flour. Give it a mix. Have you subscribed to my channel already? Add in the rest of the gram flour. Mix it to a smooth paste. Add in some water. Mix well and keep it aside. Heat some ghee in a pan. Add in the cumin seeds. Add in the Asafoetida or Hing. Followed by the green chilies. Add in the coriander powder, turmeric powder and red chili powder into the oil. Lower the heat. Add in the curd. Add in water. Cook it on low heat and let it come to the boil. It's just starting to boil now. It is also thickened because of the gram flour in it. Add in most of the chana. Reserving some that we will just crush. And add to the gravy. Just see how the texture changes so quickly. After adding the crushed chickpeas, we'll add in some of the chickpea water, the water in which the chickpeas were boiled. That is coming to a boil. So just cover it and cook it on medium heat for about 3 minutes. The 3 minutes are up, so let's check. Look at that color. It smells really nice. I always love to put a whole green chili and then cover it and let the chili release its aroma, and then we'll finish it off. The green chili has done its job. The gravy has thickened slightly and it's done. We'll finish it off by sprinkling some garam masala. I had forgotten to list it in the ingredients. And we'll turn off the heat and that's ready to serve. Drizzle some ghee on top. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve the red chickpea curry with rice. If you like the recipe, do click the like button and share it with your friends.